guys, I'm Miuccamatics and welcome back to my YouTube channel Miuccamatics. If you like math related videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'll be doing the sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression, also called as GP. So in a geometric progression, we start with the first term and there is a common ratio r. So basically the first term is a, second term ar, third term a times r square, fourth term a times r cube, and so on until it reaches ar raised to n minus 2, and the last term being ar raised to n minus 1, also denoted by L. So basically it starts from ar raised to 0, which is 1 basically, so ar raised to 0 until ar raised to n minus 1. So 0 to n minus 1 is n terms, just like in my previous video. Now the sum of the first n terms of the GP is basically Sn equal to a plus ar square plus ar cube plus dot 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 plus ar raised to n minus 2 plus ar raised to n minus 1. Now we multiply both sides by r, and so we get r times Sn is multiply each term by r, so ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus ar raised to 4 and so on until it reaches ar raised to n minus 1 and ar raised to n. Now we basically subtract the two equations. So if you notice, we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So basically that is 1 minus 2. So Sn minus r times Sn. Now if you notice, each term will cancel off diagonally until basically ar raised to n minus 2, ar raised to n minus 1. And the only terms left will be a and ar raised to n, and since it's minus r Sn, it basically gets a negative sign throughout, rest cancel off, leaving us with minus ar raised to n. Now we take Sn common and we get 1 minus r, and here we take a common, 1 minus r raised to n, and we divide by 1 minus r on both sides to get the first formula, which is Sn equal to a times 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Now this formula is used when r ranges from minus 1 to 1. Basically the absolute value of r is less than 1. Now the second formula is basically we just take a negative sign for the numerator and denominator, or basically multiply by minus 1 to the numerator and denominator, and we get the second formula, basically just changing the signs. So we get Sn equal to ar raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Just changing the signs. So this formula is used when r is greater than 1 or r is less than minus 1. Hence the two formulas are Sn equal to a times 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r, or Sn equal to a times r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. We know that the last term is L equal to ar raised to n minus 1. So we can derive a formula having L. So basically we have Sn equal to a minus r raised to n minus 1 upon 1 minus r, or Sn equal to ar raised to n minus a upon r minus 1. Basically just opening the brackets here in the numerator. Now we need L. So basically we take r common and we get a minus ar raised to n minus 1 times r upon 1 minus r, and here ar raised to n minus 1 times r minus a upon r minus 1. Now this is L. So it is a minus lr upon 1 minus r, or Sn equal to lr minus a upon r minus 1. R is not equal to 1. As you know, denominator cannot be 0. Now when r is equal to 1, it's basically the geometric progression goes as a because it's having a common ratio of 1. So all the terms are a, and the sum of the n terms are basically n times a, because a is repeated n times, so it becomes n times a.